Hi, it's day 24 already. Hey, are you going to need a babysitter? Look at your holiday calendar today and determine when you'll need babysitting services. I'll tell you what, if your area is anything close to mine, babysitters can be hard to find. So reserve the dates now with your favorite babysitter, or call friends and family and coordinate a holiday babysitting co-op. Guess what? I'm available. Oh, I would love that. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.